We are surrounded by data every moment of the day, and most people never even notice it. Every tap, every swipe, every impulse buy at 2 am, somewhere it's been tracked. Mountains of information piling up non-stop, but none of it has meaning on its own. The magic happens when someone takes all that noise and turn it into something powerful. That's the job of a data analyst. A data analyst looks at raw, messy information, think spreadsheets full of numbers or giant databases, and transforms it into insights businesses can actually use. They spot patterns, explains what's going on, and sometimes even predict what's coming next. You can think of them as translators, the people who speak the language of data and turn it into decisions. Say you run a small cafe, you track your sales and notice weekends always bring in more customers. Just that one simple insight can change how you run your business. Maybe you hire more staff on weekends or launch a Saturday special. That's data analysis in action. Smart decisions powered by information. Now scale that tiny cafe example into something massive like Netflix, Amazon, global companies making billion-dollar choices. Netflix studies what you watch, how long you watch, what you skip, and even when you hit pause. Those patterns help them recommend your next favorite show or decide what new series to create. Amazon does the same with shopping. What people search for, buy, ditch, return, it helps them refine recommendations, adjust inventory, and optimize deliveries. This is why data analysts are everywhere. Finance, healthcare, sports, marketing, every industry relies on them. So how do you actually become one? First, you learn the basics. Not crazy math, just the essentials. Averages, percentages, correlations, distributions, enough to make sense of numbers. You can learn that from YouTube free of cost. Then you start learning tools. Excel comes first. Yes, it's still insanely powerful. Next is SQL, the language of databases. Every analyst needs it. After that, you level up into Python or R, so you can work with bigger datasets, automate tasks, and build more advanced analysis. You can learn all of this from a playlist I've linked in the I button, and you'll also find them in the description box below. And now, here's the game changer, AI. AI isn't replacing analysts, it's boosting them. If you can use AI to clean data faster, generate insights, or build quick predictive models, you instantly stand out. Modern analysts who understand AI are basically playing the game with cheat codes. Next comes visualization, the storytelling stage. Because discovering insights is one thing, but presenting them in a way that actually makes sense to others, that's the real skill. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, or Google Looker Studio help you turn complex things into dashboards and visuals people can understand at glance. And if you want to start learning these tools, I've linked the full playlist in the I button, and you'll also find it in the description below. After that, it's all about building credibility through certifications and real projects. Certifications like the Google Data Analytics Certificate, IBM's Data Analyst program, or Microsoft's Power BI courses are great. But projects matter way more. Grab a data set from Kaggle, data.gov, or anywhere online. Analyze it, make a dashboard, write a case study, show the story you found in the number, upload it to GitHub, share it on LinkedIn. This is how you stand out. Speaking of LinkedIn, use it wisely. Update your headline with your skills. Post what you are learning. Share your project. Connect with analysts and recruiters. So many people land internships or freelance gigs just by being visible and consistent. Before you apply for jobs, you should be comfortable with a few things. Working with data in Excel or Google Sheets. Using SQL to extract information from databases. Using Python or R for deeper analysis and automation. Building dashboards in Tableau or Power BI. Understanding basic statistics and business concepts. And using AI tools to streamline your workflow. If you can do those things even at a beginner level, you are ready for an entry-level analyst role. And here's the truth. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to come from tech. People switch into data from marketing, finance, teaching, everything. What matters the most is your curiosity, problem solving, and the ability to turn chaos into clarity. And don't wait to feel fully ready. You never will. Get the basics, build a few projects, and start applying. You learn faster in the real world than in any course. If you love solving problems, spotting patterns, and making sense of all the data driving our digital world, becoming a data analyst might just be one of the smartest moves you can make right now. And with AI evolving fast, the field is becoming even more powerful and way more exciting. If you're serious about transforming your future, it's time to take the next step. The postgraduate program in data science and analytics with Gen AI gives you everything you need. 100% job assurance, hands-on projects, and access to Gen AI powered tools that are shaping the future of analytics. You can learn in the classroom or choose flexible online sessions. Your career, your way. Click the link in the description below and our expert counselors will guide you every step of the way.